everyone, welcome to this Mindy service. This is case number 6986. This is Dell gaming laptop. So customer sent us the main board was totally dead, and there was a short circuit on the main board through the main power rail. So after diagnosed and we managed to find the short component and replace it for customer. So this is main power rail socket. One of the channel MOSFET was shorted to ground is dead, and so it's 19 volt power rail won't get through the charging circuits. That's why the laptop not able to turn on. So this is the channel MOSFET that was shorted, got replaced, and another the capacitor was dead as well. So we did replace it, and the laptop was working fine. Let's turn it on. So do we got a light? Yeah, we got a light, and yeah, we got a display. So I'm gonna stop this video and and just let you know, if you have the laptop or mini MacBook, you found that the laptop is not able to turn on, feel free to contact us at this Mindy service for assistance and for any service. So bye bye, see you next video.